Hi there, hello and welcome back to my channel. Myself Siddhi. I hope you all are doing well. So here we create cozy content about the lifestyle, makeup, skincare, food and everything nice. Okay, so today is Sunday and it's 12th of July and I was awaiting a parcel from Plum. And I had so today is basically about the Plum haul, and guess what? My package is here. Okay, so it's Plum's 12th birthday, and they are going on with a huge offer that is buy two get two and buy three get three, which is amazing and with beautiful gifts. My god. Okay, so that's the sole reason I have ordered and my parcel has arrived this week. So I thought let's start and do a plum haul. And let's start. Okay, so I've lined up all my products. I had ordered this particular niacinamide night jelly serum. It's exactly like serum when we talk about it, and it has got all the goodness, and this is how it looks. Black rice and niacinamide. It has 10% of niacinamide. It is solely a night clarifying jelly serum, supposed to be used at night. It fades all the marks and uneven skin tone. It will help you reduce that. Okay, so I have just opened one of the product. Let me just show you how the texture feels like. Look at this. Wow. So it's a jelly serum based. You can use it. Why I'm not using it on my face? Because I have applied a little different product on my skin, so I am avoiding it right now. So you have to apply a little, very little amount of it, and it will dry off. And trust me guys, I have applied it past 2 to 3 days. It is not exactly making a big difference, but definitely it will make it in time. And my skin feels hydrated, a little tightened up and moisturized, and the next day the skin is quite plumpy. Okay, that is how it feels. So I have taken one of this product, and this is 25 ml, and I've got this one free along with it. So two products I have got it, this buy one get one. So this is what I've taken. Next up, I went ahead and I've got this vitamin C serum. Again, this one is quite highly rated product, and many of the influencers, they have been using this particular product. So I thought, why not, let's give it a try. Even this is the one which boosts the glow, fades the dark spots in 2 weeks. So you have to give this product some time and let it work. As and when I will also review it. If I feel any difference, I'll come and come back to you guys and tell you that it definitely works. So I have been asked to buy this vitamin C mandarin serum, and this is what I've got, a free product. Okay, so I have got one of my Plum, this one, and with this basically I purchased these two products. Okay, and what I've got free, the other two products, is another one. This is what I've asked for, and this is what I've taken, the another free product. Even for this I have got many people have recommended to use this particular toner, that is rice water and niacinamide. Again, brightens the skin, and it takes and tightens the pores. That is what I want, because I have a oily skin and it breaks out a lot, especially during those months, during those days of the month when you're around the period and you have those acne, and you know, again, the acne marks. I have highly sensitive skin, because if I eat anything spicy or sweet, it shows up on my skin very quickly. So I am not blessed that way. And of course, let's talk about the free products, the gifts that I have got. These two. Okay, so I am very happy. These are not like exactly full size products, because full size it looks like this. Okay, so you can understand the difference. This is what is purchased, and these are the gifts that I've got. Now let's talk about the green tea pore cleansing face wash. Before I show you it on my face, I would just, so on my face at the moment I have just washed it nicely with one of the different face wash, and just for the trial, hold on, just wipe it off. By the way, this particular serum jelly, it stays shiny for a very longer period of time, and it takes time to hydrate and sink into your skin. Okay, so just I feel that you should give it a chance, and hopefully that will work. Now let's talk about this. I'll just be back in a minute. I made my face a little wet in order to use this particular face wash. This is a green tea pore cleansing face wash. Removes 99.9% of impurities and oil control up to, it says 2 hours. Okay, so let me just show it to you. Okay, this is how it looks. It's transparent and it has these cellulose beads which helps. Let's lather it nicely. Ooh. I'm not removing my lipstick because yeah, I don't want to. Okay. Okay. Now let's wipe it off with the, here I have my wet towel at the rescue. Always dap your face. Okay, don't, like, you know, brush it really hard because your skin is quite sensitive. So just dap 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 and you're good to go with it. I just have my water bowl there in order to rinse it nicely. Okay, so I think my face is quite clear right now. Okay, so there's no product on my skin, okay, whatsoever. No product on my skin. It's all clear. Perfect. Okay, now let's go ahead. So once your face is nice and dry, I'm using this particular, guess who is looking at me, guess who is giving me that side eye, where are you? Cleo, Cleo, I love you, I love you. Okay, now she just woke up from her afternoon nap. So let's use green tea alcohol free toner. Tightens the pore and fights pimples, as you all know that you're girly. That your girly has acne prone skin. By the way, this product, once you spray on your face, it has a little tingling effect. If you want, y'all can do a patch test on your skin, like how I showed you here or here. that will clarify that if this product is suitable for you. But I feel that Plum products are quite 99% of the time it's quite skin friendly. Okay, that is all I want to say. Let this dry quickly. Okay, so while this one gets dry, I have also received another free product which I forgot to show you guys. That is this. Wow. Okay, so this is vanilla caramello solid perfume stick. Okay, so this one is from from Body Loving. Okay, they have their another. Okay, it's like a pen. How cool is that? How cool is that? So this particular stick, you have to use it like a pen. Can you see the product? Can you see the product? Wow. So you can just roll it on the pulse points. How cool is that? Wow, it smells amazing. Smells amazing. It's like cupcake. Our toner has dried up a bit. So now that I've used green tea toner, okay. So if you're using green tea toner, you are good to use this particular serum. So here vitamin C serum and niacinamide, you can never use it together. So I've got this instruction leaflet inside this particular box. Okay, where are you? Okay, I'm unable to find it at the. Okay, I have it. I have it. I have it. So in this instruction leaflet or manual, whatever you all want to call it, so vitamin C serum, it shouldn't. Okay, I'm sorry. It's just my cat. Cleo. Okay, so vitamin C serum. Can I use vitamin C serum with the niacinamide serum? So it clearly says that since both the serums, vitamin C as well as niacinamide, are potent ingredient, they cannot be used together. You should not layer them. So if you are using this particular toner, you better not use vitamin C serum. Okay, it does not go together. I will ask you to avoid it, like serum or toner, whatever it is. But at the moment, now that I've used the green tea toner, I can definitely use vitamin C serum. Okay, so a little bit of. Ooh, okay, this should be fine. And this should be avoided near your eye area. Okay, not on your eyelids, not near this particular area. No, so basically you avoid there, that section. Just dab 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 dab. Let all the goodness of this product sink in to your skin. Mm-mm. I really love skincare products. Huge, 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 huge fan of this. So yeah, this is how it is. And by the way, the lipstick that I'm using is Blue Heaven matte lipstick, again in the shade PM09. Wow. Okay, so I feel that you should purchase Plum products, because first of all, it's really skin friendly, vegan, cruelty free, animal like it says animal pet friendly. I don't know why it says like that. Like basically, it's animal products are not used. That is what I assume. And 100% vegan and dermat tested, animal test free. This is what I was talking about. It's written out there. Yeah, so I've got my buy two get two products free along with three freebies from Plum. So it's a huge win-win. And yeah, next time you definitely can go ahead and buy these products. I will highly recommend niacinamide toner, and where is that? Our vitamin C serum. But yeah, do not use it together. This one can be used in the daytime when you use your different toner, like anything like a rose toner or green tea toner or something like that. So you can use that. And when you are using your night routine, you can use this niacinamide toner along with your this beautiful product. Oh yeah, so this one is highly rated product, okay, along with the vitamin C serum, niacinamide toner, and this plum rice, black rice, and niacinamide TXA. So this can be used at night. I'm gonna use it like it's past 3 days that I'm using the product. I cannot say that the marks are fading because still this area is still occupied with all the marks. But other than that, my skin is not bad. It's not bad. It's glowing. So yeah, and now I don't know what's the plan. I'll be just chilling around with my cat. It's tea time already, and I hope you guys like this video, and this is how we ended. See you in the next one. And yes, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also comment if you like this particular video and what you all want me to show in future. No, 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 no. My cat is a khatron ke khiladi, trust me. She, no, babe, no way. No, I'm so scared. It's just like a baby. If you have a newborn, you have to be with your baby. She's just like my baby, and I cannot stay away from her. Any which ways, so here we end the vlog, and I hope this is the haul, the plum haul that I wanted to show it to you guys. Mm, and do check out Plum website. They have offers going on and off every single time, so you can get yourself lucky and buy the products. Yeah, that's all. See you in the next one. Bye there. Mwah.